Are you ready for a dose of truth?
I've had my dose. Have you had yours?
We're going to be doing part 2 of Dose of Honesty for the LA Colors, their new products that they have out.
And I got something to say.
Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well, and for those of you who are new, my name is Mandy. Welcome to my channel. Alright guys, so you know I got this new series I will be completely honest about. I will not steer y'all wrong. Oh my gosh, I'm so terrified. Everybody sounded off in the comments yesterday and said that they seen an orb in the video. I don't know whether that's dust or not. I sure hope not, because I'll be scared to be filming. Another thing, if it sounds like I'm talking with a list, it's because I missed another day again. Of course.
Sorry, guys.
But anyways, so the first thing that I got was the LA Colors Strobing and Illuminating Powder. Now, I did get 2 of these. I got one champagne, and this one is Gleaming Goddess. Guys, this one I absolutely love. I did not really think that I'd like the color too well because it is that icy white and that tends to look chalky on my face. But this was actually pretty good. And I mean, of course, it does accentuate a little bit on my face. But other than that, I do like this. It is a very good illuminating powder. The next thing were these iced pigments. These are the loose powder eyeshadows, and this one is in shade Glowing. And I went back and I got another one. It is a green one, and I can't remember the name of that, but I will show it in another video. These guys turned out to be really bad. I really hate these. I thought I was going to love them, and I know it is a loose glitter, so they're not, I wasn't expecting them to be like highly pigmented, but they are just so splotchy when you put them on. It's just awful. I don't like these at all, but it was only $2, and I think for a topper that might be worth it. Oh, here's the green one, guys. This is the green one, and it is in Twinkle, and it is the same exact way, so it is not just the shade. Another thing was the LA Colors, the Browy Wowie. This is the brow pomade. And it is, of course, in soft brown. And it did come with its own little brush and a spoolie. This actually worked really good. I really do like it. And I have had it on for 6 hours now. So I absolutely love this. And there are a couple more things, guys, that I went back and got. And I just want to show you really quick. This is the LA Colors Browy Wowie Tinted Brow Gel. I did get that. And also, they got new lip liners. And I did get this auto lip liner, so this is the ones that you turn, and I actually like that. I mean, I love it. It's really creamy. It goes on good. Now, next thing, guys, is the LA Colors Radiant Skin Nourishing Liquid Makeup. Now, mine is in shade beige, and I did get the matte one to this, which I absolutely fell in love with. I love that foundation. I will be making a video because that is the best foundation I've ever put on my face. This one was okay. And it does have a radiant finish, but nothing about this wowed me. And it did take about 2 layers for it to cover. So I would say this is a light to medium coverage, but with 2 layers, it's about a medium coverage. But nothing about this really wowed me. Not like that other one. I mean, I could not believe how the other one worked. It truly is the best foundation that I have ever used. Yesterday, I seen down in the comment sections where everybody's like, oh, we seen an orb, we seen an orb. I went back, I watched it over and over and over. I can't figure it out. I figured it was a piece of dust. I'm not sure. So don't let that scare you off though, guys. Guys, that is it for this video. So if you enjoyed it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys, and I'll see you next video. Bye. Alright guys, we're still testing out these LA Colors. So are y'all ready for the dose? Are you ready for a dose of truth review on the LA Colors? Are you ready for the dose of truth review? Thing bugging me.